Hello students. Now today we will start the second part of this practice set 6.1, sixth lesson trigonometry from maths 2 for SSC students. Before starting this video, I request all the students, रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा मैं तमाम स्टूडेंट्स से कि जैसा कि आप लोगों तक ये चैनल की लिंक पहुंची है, ये चैनल की लिंक अपने जो भी आपके क्लासमेट्स होंगे उन क्लासमेट्स तक जो है ये लिंक पहुंचे, आप लोग पहुंचाए ताकि वो बच्चों को भी ये चैनल का फ़ायदा हो और घर बैठे वो भी कुछ मैथ्स का कुछ पढ़ाई करें। ठीक है, आप तमाम बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप लोग जो है इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, क्या कि जो भी इसके अपडेट्स होंगे उसका मेल के थ्रू जो है आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। क्योंकि जैसे अब ये सिलेबस ख़त्म होगा, अभी 1-2 लेसन बाकी है, वो लेसन ख़त्म होने के बाद में जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जिसमें हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो क्वेश्चंस के कुछ वीडियोस चैप्टर वाइज बना के मैं अपलोड करूँगा, तो वो वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिले और वो एग्जाम्पल्स आपसे मिस न हो, इसलिए आज ही आप क्या करें, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों तक इसकी लिंक शेयर करें। ये चैनल पर इंग्लिश मीडियम, उर्दू मीडियम और मराठी मीडियम, ये तीनों मीडियम के मैथ्स का सिलेबस जो है वो मैंने कवर किया हूँ। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आते होंगे। आप ज़रूर लाइक करें। अगर आपके कुछ कमेंट्स होंगे तो आप कमेंट्स भी मुझे कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, उसका जो भी उसके अंदर अगर कुछ कमी ज़्यादती है तो वो पूरा करने की मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। ठीक है, फिर एक मरतबा आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आप लोग जो है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों तक ये चैनल को शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आगे आपका नुकसान ना हो। ठीक है, तो सेकंड पार्ट हम शुरू करेंगे अब यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस सेट 6.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, प्रूव दैट। ठीक है, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज देयर, दैट इज साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू सेक थीटा। Such examples are very important examples and one example is compulsory for board exam, so prepare those examples। ठीक है, और ये एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने के लिए हमको जो कल के लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने जो आपको फॉर्मूलीज दिया था वो तमाम फॉर्मूलीज क्या होना चाहिए, याद होनी चाहिए। अगर फॉर्मूले याद है तो आप लोग इजीली ये एक्सरसाइज के जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है प्रूव दैट, ये एग्जाम्पल्स इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। Okay, so the first example is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. That we have to prove. We have to prove means we have to consider any one side. Suppose we consider left hand side, you solve it and just show that value of that left hand side is equal to RHS, right hand side, value of the right hand side. If you show that, then it is proved. Then it is proved. Okay, so to prove this sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta, consider LHS equal to, we have to consider LHS, that is left hand side, is equal to, it is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta plus cos theta. Now this cos theta is nothing but cos theta upon 1 we can take, and now take cross multiplication because addition of two fractions are there and if their denominators are different then we have to take cross multiplication. So you will get sin square theta into 1, that is sin square theta, plus cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta, upon cos theta into 1, that is cos theta. Now first identity is there, trigonometric identity, that sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, and that value is equal to RHS. Okay, and therefore sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. So in this way you have to solve this example. Very simple example and very easy. Only you have to remember those formulas. Okay, now the second example is cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, now again consider LHS here. LHS equal to cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to this cos square theta, keep as it is, into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Second identity, trigonometric identity, second identity, it is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, it is sec square theta. Okay, since 1 plus tan square theta, this is the second identity, is equal to sec square theta. Remember this formula. Okay, that is equal to this cos square theta as it is into sec square theta, but sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta, so you will get 1 upon cos square theta. Though this cos square theta is in denominator, this cos square theta is in numerator, so this cos square theta get cancelled, and you will get is equal to 1, and that value is equal to RHS. That value is equal to RHS, and therefore cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so in this way you have to prove this second example. Now come to third one. Third example is here. Third example is square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so consider LHS again. Left hand side is equal to, it is square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to square root of, this is very important example, it may ask in the examination. So it is 1 minus sine theta as it is upon 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Now the numerator is 1 minus sine theta. By this term 1 minus sine theta, multiply both numerator and denominator, so you will get 1 minus sine theta. We multiply this numerator and just divide or just multiply the denominator also, so you will get 1 minus sine theta. So 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, it is square root of 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta bracket square divided by this 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Okay, 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is equal to this square root as it is, square root of 1 minus sine theta bracket square as it is divided by, now this denominator is of this form a plus b, second bracket a minus b, so that is equal to, it is a square minus b square. This is our a, this is b, this is a, this is b, so it will be a square means 1 square minus b square, that is sine square theta is equal to square root of again this 1 minus sine theta bracket square as it is divided by 1 minus sine square theta. Now we have this first identity, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and therefore this cos square theta as it is equal to 1, and this plus sine square theta becomes minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, so you will get 1 minus sine square theta as cos square theta. Now in denominator square term is there, in denominator there is again square term, and we have to take square of this ratio. Okay, square root of that ratio, so square and square root get cancelled, and you will get 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now just separate the denominator, so you will get 1 upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, so 1 upon cos theta, but 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, and sine theta upon cos theta, that is nothing but tan theta, and that value is equal to RHS. Okay, and therefore square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So in this way you have to solve this third example. Yes, any doubt in this? Okay, fourth example is sec theta minus cos theta in first bracket, second bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Okay, so solution, LH is equal to, we consider left hand side is equal to this sec theta minus cos theta, into cot theta plus tan theta, is equal to, now just convert sec theta, cot theta and tan theta in terms of sine and cos. So this sec theta we can write as 1 upon cos theta minus this cos theta as it is, okay, into this cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sine theta plus tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta, bracket complete. Okay, this cos theta is nothing but cos theta upon 1 is equal to square root of, take cross multiplication here, so you will get 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, it is cos square theta upon cos theta into 1, it is cos theta. Okay, into, now here take cross multiplication because both denominators are different here, so cos theta into cos theta, you will get cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, it is sin square theta upon multiplication of both the denominators, that is sin theta into cos theta, bracket complete. Okay, so 1 minus cos square theta by from first identity, 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta upon cos theta into this cos square theta plus sin square theta, first trigonometric identity, that is 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay, no need to draw this bracket since this formula is there, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore this sin square theta keep as it is equal to 1, this plus cos square theta becomes minus cos square theta, so this sin theta and this sin theta get cancelled, and you will get sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta into 1 upon cos theta, that is nothing but sec theta, and that value is equal to RHS, and therefore sec theta minus cos theta second bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta, that is proved. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Now come to next one, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Okay, now again consider LHS, that is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Now cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta, okay, plus tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, now here we have to take addition of both the fractions because both denominators are different, then again we can take cross multiplication, so cos theta into cos theta, that is equal to cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, it is sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, from first identity, trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta, that value is equal to 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay, and that we can write as 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon sin theta is nothing but cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, and that value is equal to RHS. Okay, and therefore sec theta in first bracket sec theta minus cos theta second bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta, tan theta into sec theta, that cosec theta into sec theta, that is cosec theta into sec theta, this is cosec theta into sec theta. Okay, so that we have to prove. This is the fifth example. Now come to sixth one. Sixth example like this, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. So here we consider LHS, that is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Just multiply this because on right hand side we need sec theta plus tan theta, and in left hand side there is no sec theta plus tan theta. So what we'll do, just multiply numerator by sec theta plus tan theta and just divide by the same term, sec theta plus tan theta. This is one adjustment is there. Okay, so by multiplication of two fractions, multiply numerator by numerator, so you will get 1, or directly you can take sec theta plus tan theta upon, in denominator there is of the form a minus b into a plus b, and a minus b into a plus b, this is the formula a plus b second bracket a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So by that formula it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, so in numerator there is sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, upon now we have this second identity as 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and therefore keep 1 as it is equal to sec square theta. This plus tan square theta becomes minus tan square theta. So sec square theta minus tan square theta value is equal to 1. So this denominator becomes 1. Okay, that is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, and that value is equal to RHS. Okay, and therefore 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta, hence proved. Okay, so in this way you have to solve such examples from practice set 6.1. Now the remaining examples we will see in next video. Thank you.